Welcome to the Prinect 2008 video. With this video we like to show you the difference between a fully integrated print shop and a print shop with a sneakers workflow. So let's have a look first of all at our sneakers print shop. We have a pre-press, press and post-press department. Of course we have a management and we have print buyers. The print buyer asks for a job. A quotation is sent over. The print buyer doesn't like the quotation, too expensive. Okay, you get a discount. Let's create a job ticket now. The job ticket is printed out and transferred into pre-press where we have operators, computers, proofers and also plate recorders. The guys are just working on the job, but then the phone is ringing. Management is calling. Excuse me guys, bring back the job ticket. Yeah, the print buyer called. We have a change in the job. So the job ticket needs to be edited. The changes are written onto the job order bag and then transferred back into pre-press department. Now the pre-press guys, they start to process the job and finally output the plates. Of course the management wants to know if they're finished, so everybody who works on that job has to write a time record sheet. These time record sheets are filled out by hand for every single operator. So in pre-press department we have a couple of operators, so that means we also have a couple of time record sheets to be filled out and to be collected later on. Where's the job bag? Ah, there it is. Okay, let's go further now. The job is now transferred into the press department. Plates are ready and the press guy, of course, mounts the plates on the press. Where's the printing press? Ah, here we go. Here's the printing press. Okay, so let's start printing now. Here's our operator and here we go. But now, oh god, my god, the print buyer is calling. Guys, stop, don't print that job. Sorry, we have a mistake on the black plate. Yeah, we have a text correction to be made. Oh guys, please don't mount the plates. Here's the management calling. Bring back the job ticket and don't start the job, please. So the job ticket needs to be transferred all the way back into management department where they have to make the corrections on the order bag once again. And of course, now the job ticket does not go into press department. No, it goes into pre-press because those guys have to make a new black plate. Finally, they bring down the job ticket to the press guy again and he can start printing the job. Finally, of course, that guy also has to write a time record sheet. If you have more than one press, you have two time record sheets, of course. Now, let's go into post-press department. In this commercial print shop we have a cutter, we have a folder and of course also operators in the post-press area. So the press guy brings down the job ticket into the post-press department. Are you sure it works like that? No, it doesn't work like that. Of course the press guy never brings the job ticket into the post-press department. The post-press guy always has to ask the press guy, are you ready? Yes, you can take the job ticket. Thank you very much. So they start to process the job and finally write their time record sheets as well. Now the management has their job to collect all these time record sheets from every single department, bring it back into their department. Where's the job ticket? I cannot do my evaluation. Oh sorry, I forgot the job ticket in the post-press department. Here we go. So our management guy is doing the post calculation and he's calling the print buyer that the job is now ready to be delivered. The print buyer receives his job and of course he's smiling, he's happy, he got his job for the promised price. But what about that guy? What do you think? How long can this print shop offer cheap prices and still make profit? Is this the state-of-the-art way of printing? Now let's have a look how this print shop works with Prinect. We have pre-press, press and post-press departments here as well. Under the rooftop is our management with the print shop manager. For estimating and quotations, this guy now uses a Prinect product called Prinect Presents. Upon request as a special project, it may be possible to connect other JDF compatible MIS to Prinect workflow as well.
We will create now a digital file out of our calculation. This digital file is called JDF, Job Definition Format, and it's placed on a central place in our print shop where it is available for all different departments. In the pre-press department we have a workflow system which can use this JDF already. You may know Prinect Print Ready. Prinect Print Ready will be renamed in Drupa 2008 and the successor will be Prinect Pre-Press Manager. Prinect Pre-Press Manager receives the JDF and picks up the relevant information to process this job. So all the needed operations for the thickness station, for meta dimension, for plate exposure are done there. Pronect Press Room Manager is doing in fact the same job. It's receiving the JDF file and is spreading the relevant information to the right printing press, automatically including ink presetting. On Drupa 2008 we also show a brand new product for the postpress area. This product is called Pronect Postpress Manager. Pronect Postpress Manager also communicates directly with the central JDF. In fact, all different departments communicate with that JDF, and if there is a change, for example in the JDF done by the business manager, all departments will know immediately that there is a change and what kind of information did change in the actual job. So let's imagine the print buyer asked for a last minute change. No problem anymore. The business manager is doing the change, changing the calculation, and is feeding back the changes into the JDF directly. The JDF again is available for all departments, so the latest information is always there. Time record sheets, you remember that? No need for that anymore. With a central JDF, we have also the possibility not just to send information to the department, but also to receive the feedback about the performance and to make a job tracking. So we know always where is the job and what's the status of the job. The JDF and the JMF, job messaging format, is always available in every single department and is always fed back to the central JDF. For our management, that means whenever they select the JDF from the actual job, they are always up to date with what's going on. Every single manager product is a vehicle to reach the target of a fully automated JDF integration in every department. For the global overview about the status of the job in all departments, we offer the Pronect Integration Manager. That's the central control cockpit for the entire print shop workflow, and it is the communication center to the management information system Prinance. The MIS provides the JDF for the workflow. During and after production, it receives the real-time production data, for example only from the press area, directly via the press room manager. If the JDF integration is also realized in other areas, the MIS will get the data better via the integration manager. We talk a lot about complete integration, but many customers have also older equipment or third-party stuff. In this case, the Pronect Data Terminal is the digital interface in the workflow. Via this data terminal, we deliver the complete job information from the JDF with preview images, and the operator only needs to start and end jobs manually. So far we looked at one single JDF, but a real print shop has to handle more than one job at a time. They have lots of jobs where they must meet delivery dates, plan capacities on every press, and make sure that all cost centers have an efficient workload. Starting at Drupa 2008, we have a great solution for digital job planning based on the central JDF, the Pronect Scheduler. It is designed especially for print shops to support the planner with easy planning, an early warning system in case of possible delays, and great tools to plan and analyze the workload on the presses. The planned jobs can be monitored directly at the Pronect Press Center on the huge wall screen. The Pronect Scheduler is only available as an option within the Integration Manager or the Press Room Manager standalone. It is not available as a single product. This is the one and only complete integration, and that is Pronect, the print shop workflow.